Today's first reading from the Book of Wisdom, chapter 6, verses 12 to 16, says that wisdom is found by those who seek, and exhorts us to search for the wisdom until we find it. And what is wisdom? Wisdom is God. God is the wisdom. Therefore, it is an invitation to seek God. In the second reading from the first letter of St. Paul to the Thessalonians, chapter 4, verses 13 to 18, St. Paul tells, not to grieve over those who died, because we hope death on this earth is a kind of end of our search for God, and that in death we will be raised to life in Jesus and see God face to face. And in the Gospel, from the Gospel of St. Matthew, chapter 25, verses 1 to 13, we are cautioned to be prepared to meet the Lord. In the first reading, we are invited to search for God. And in the second reading, we are given hope that we will meet God. And now, in the Gospel, we are asked to be prepared at every moment to meet God. Preparation. This is a very important aspect in all our lives. We prepare early for every event in our lives. We prepare today already for tomorrow's needs and activities. Our governments and organizations are prepared with plans up to 2030 and 50 already. We prepare for our academic exams. We prepare for our marriage. We prepare for the future of our children. We prepare for receiving guests in our home. We prepare for our future with long-term goals and plans to achieve them. But how certain are we about all these external preparations? For example, when we entered the new millennium, everyone was having long-term goals to be achieved by 2020. But what have we seen in 2020 except the complete lockdown and fear and misery all around with the pandemic COVID-19? Yes, to be prepared is good, but the preparation most required is, first, to be prepared to accept everything that comes on our way. Second, to be prepared internally with the purity of heart to meet the Lord, the wisdom of all ages. For an ordered and peaceful living, the preparedness is must. It is necessary, but that is not everything. We need to be prepared to meet the needs of our soul. This is the most important thing. Otherwise, we will be like the rich fool who gathered enough riches for his happy and secure living, but to whom the Lord said, "This is your last day." Therefore, dear friends, let's be prepared and organized externally, but more than anything, let's gather enough oil of purity, humility, generosity, mercy and love to keep the lamp of our soul ever lighted up. Wish you all the best in your preparation. Blessed Sunday.